one, remind yourself that you are loved by friends, family, and your higher power, and totally go back and accept yourself because your most important relationship is with yourself. Number two, make sure you reach out to some friends and let them know what's going on so that you have support once you leave. Even though it's toxic, you're losing your perhaps main partner, and that's a lot to lose, good, bad, or ugly. So reach out to friends for support, reach out to family for support, and tell them that I just need to do this and I'm going to need to lean on you. Number three, depending on the severity of the toxicity, you can leave already if you have to move out. Or if it's not such a volatile situation, you could tell the person, look, I'm going to be moving out of the house, or I'm going to be taking some space from our relationship. And you can leave it like that and try not to make it as dramatic on your end as not to have a flare up. So basically, let them know what you're going to do and then make your move and be clear about it. Take the space you need. Maybe there's something that can be resolved in the relationship, but no matter what, it needs space. So really take the space you need.